happens when you have a dog. You're at an all-weather walking the dog. It's a blizzard. I mean, seriously, you can't even see over there. And I am out here with a dog. It's crazy. Hopefully my camera survives. Wow. Look at that. Trying to keep it from getting this wet. Now I can't see what I'm filming. Oh well, I guess we'll all be surprised, won't we? I've been laughing at these people for like the last day or two. Everyone's saying, oh, this is going to be a worst storm in 10 years. And blah, blah, blah. And it's like, sure it is. Right, well, it is. I haven't seen snow like this since I was a kid. That was in Iowa. So I've never seen snow like this here. Oh my gosh. Before you think I'm in really bad shape, the snow is like, seriously, see how deep it is? And I'm not touching the ground, actually. Those are my brother's boots. I don't own boots. That's how little frickin' snow we normally get here. I don't even own boots. No, puppy, we ain't gonna go play. Come on. No. Speak of a dog likes snow. Anytime it snows, man, he wants to be out here playing in it. Bouncing around and hopping. And it's like, what the fuck is wrong with you, dog? Yeah. My camera probably never worked yet after this. Chucky will kill me. Holy cow! These boots are way too big and they keep falling off of me. How about? There's the door, thank goodness. Alright. That was probably the shortest dog walk in history. And that's freaking fine with me. Going in where it's warm. I'm staying there forever.